Hi everyone and welcome to Fab Parks from my balcony. Today I wanted to share with you the tips and tricks on how to get to Europa Park by fly. Europa Park, it's in Germany, but it's at the border with France and Switzerland. So you got three main airports, which are Baden-Baden in Germany, Strasbourg in France, and Basel in Switzerland. You can find lots of flights going there. Usually it's like Ryanair and EasyJet, and if you book them in advance, they are likely to be cheap. Keep an eye on the best offer. You can even do two one-way flights. It doesn't have to be a round trip. And check the schedule, the timetable, because of course you're trying to get an early flight when you're flying there and a late flight when you're flying back. In that way, you're going to reduce the number of nights in a hotel. In terms of how to get there, so once you are landed in an airport, the only thing you need is the LiQWYD, so it's like the German railway website or app. It's really well done, it's got a planner. And through the app you can buy any ticket, also including France and Switzerland. And the planner gives you the opportunity to buy also the tickets for the shuttle bus from the airport, any bus, any tram, whatever you need. So it's really like straightforward, and it's a one-stop shop for all your local travel needs. But what I wanted to share with you is that there is currently a promotion on the LiQWYD website, which is a €9 ticket. This is a monthly unlimited travel ticket on any regional transportation, which means any regional train, any bus, all the shuttle buses from the airport, everything is included, and you just pay €9 one-off. This doesn't include the ICE trains, which are the high-speed trains, but if you're flying to Baden-Baden, for example, you're just going to need regional trains. And also, if you need to go to Switzerland, there are regional options as well. So if you are a big party or a big family, keep this in mind, because a high-speed train is likely to cost you like 25 up to 40 euros per person, while with this option, with €9, you cover all your local transport needs with one ticket. Then, once you arrived to the station is called Europa Park, so it's really like straightforward. Then there is a shuttle bus that goes to Rolantica and to Europa Park, to the hotels, to the main entrance. And on Europa Park, you can find Europa Park website. You can find all the information you need, and there is also the timetable. Timetable of the shuttle bus is really well done, because it's showing already which shuttle bus you need to take in order to catch the train you are planning to go on. So they already done the matching, the phasing in between shuttle bus and all the trains leaving from the nearby stations. So it's really like straightforward. But I think the winner here is this new €9 ticket, which is a monthly ticket that you can buy for June, July or August 2022. So keep an eye on that. If you're planning to go to Europa Park, it's highly recommended. Enjoy your time in Europa Park. Have a safe trip, and I'll see you soon.